What does it taste like? Oil?
Couldn't really tell you. So how'd it taste? How'd it taste? I believe it's gonna work, hopefully.
Hey yo, Trilly, punch me in. They see me in, I won never losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop it and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit. Like, hey Jay, that's my name, little bro nigga from down LA. About 6'1" with a low top fade. Niggas knew that you was gonna get to that cake. Hey, bitch, say my name. Too dope, cool nigga, ain't shit changed. Bad that bitch, shorty screaming my name. And the phone sped off with a brand new chain. Nah, nigga, none of these fine. When a nigga pop out of designer, ain't the boo cooking up any Honda. If the bitch wanted fuck, gotta find her. So say on somebody line. If you wanted that, he would come find us. Niggas know we ain't doing no hiding. When we pushing out here, come the sirens. 33 bags with some brand new Givenchy. I just put that bitch in a drop top. Up in the kitchen, ain't cooking no Winnie, but shawty said she want a hot box. I ate it once and I'm going in the Jiffy, cause our ugly friend wanna cut. No, I can't fuck with that thought, nah. JB pop out with that Glock. They see me in, I won never losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop it and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing.
Okay, so look.
Yeah.
Nothing back and forth. Just a little side to side. And that's how much it is up and down.
But up and down, maybe.
You just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit. She got some back and she carrying, only keep for a week, I ain't marrying. If you shoot it at me, then I'm parrying. Hey yo nigga, you wicked, Jerry. Sipping on you for some weeks, tryna marry you. How the pussy ain't wet, you Aquarius. I be gone for a week, I get back, we can leave. Say it likely the blow is precarious. AP, bust, drip, water when I step at the house. Big baller, put a dick in the mouth. TTG, my niggas hand shit out. She ain't my little secret. In the pussy, I'ma stretch a bitch out. If my phone, probably stretching her out. My baby niggas know we bout. She want the money, the power, the glory. She think I'm in love, but I'm fucking a friend. Don't have no friends, but I got some brothers that I know is rocking with me to the end. All of my partners in tune with each other, and none of them stressing about many bands. She got a man, but shawty a freaking and shit, so I don't give a fuck about a man. They see me in, I wanna believe.
You got all the bolts in.
Yeah.
And I think they're tight. And I got the little oil pickup thing on.
Mm-hmm.
It's tight.
Okay.
So all I gotta do is the oil pan and that little bracket, which is not necessary.
Just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop it and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna.
How does it feel to be working on the old car?
I feel fucking wonderful.
Even though you're laying around in the dirt, getting all disgusting.
Best feeling ever.
Really? I'm gonna go look for a socket to fit these, so.
Oh, blow my. I burns. Dirt. Oh, it's hurting so bad. Oh, it hurts so bad. Look, oh! Oh, hold her. Okay.
Where were we?
I got dirt in my mouth.
Somebody's mowing the yard.
The way it sounds.
I'm probably stressing out. My baby niggas know we bout. She want the money, the power, the glory. She think I'm in love, but I'm fucking a friend. Don't have no friends, but I got some brothers that I know is rocking with me to the end. All of my partners in tune with each other, and none of them stressing about many bands. She got a man, but shawty a freaking and she, so I don't give a fuck about a man. They see me in, I won never losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat her the pussy, then I go and cop and then hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing. I ran it up from the start to the end. You just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I ran it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or write no love song. Yeah, write no love song. We all experience love loss. Yeah, niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again. I'm running this shit.
Come.
Come.
With the shirt.
Got the 5 Civic.
You know, look at the B series Civic. B series swap. It's right here. Shows nothing, but swap clean, baby. Literally nothing in that hoe. About blew my car up. I'm a fucking master mechanic. I'm gonna do this shit.
Oh, it's easy to do it when you don't have like a full bottle, but you know. Your stick is dry, buddy. Like you can, like you can literally like.
What does it taste like? Oil?
Couldn't really tell you. So how'd it taste? How'd it taste?
Nothing, because it's fucking dry.
I think you need more than that, buddy.
I think so too. Oh, shit. Let me finish being, bitch. You ready for this?
Hit it, buddy. No rod knock.
Let's go!
Hold on a second.
But it didn't stay running. What do you want me to do here, buddy?
What?
What do you want? Brady, what the fuck do you want me to do here, buddy? Look how long of an extension you gave me. I can't.
Okay. Hop in that junk and start it real quick.
Okay, I'm doing that.
What are we doing next, buddy?
Go find out where that oil leak was?
No.
Okay. We'll fucking lose.
Oh. That was fire.
Sounded good.
Strawberry.
So
I don't know. Take a closer look.
okay. Take a closer look. Is it something that's like pretty obvious?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, I know. Should probably bolt up the rest of the header.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Here we go, boys. It's the moment of truth.
Burn.